L-isptar ġenerali ta' Għawdex u dak ta' Karin Grech li qed jitmexxew minn Vitals Healthcare Group jinsabu fit-triq it-tajba biex jiksbu r-rikonoxximent internazzjonali magħruf bħala JCI. Rikonoxximent li jieħdu l-aqwa sptarijiet fid-dinja u li l-investituri f'pajjiżna qed jaħdmu fi sħubija mal-gvern iridu jiksbu għall-isptarijiet li jmexxu f'Malta. Il-proċess f'pajjiżna qed isir taħt il-gwida ta' Partners Healthcare Internazzjonali li jmexxu l-isptarijiet ta' tagħlim ta' Harvard Medical School u li taħt il-gwida tagħhom jaħdmu uħud mill-aqwa sptarijiet fl-Istati Uniti. F'kummenti ma' One News wieħed mill-ogħla uffiċjali ta' Partners Healthcare International spjega l-ħidma li ssir ma' sptarijiet mad-dinja kollha biex tinkiseb din it-tip ta' akkreditazzjoni.
We work with hospitals internationally to improve healthcare quality and patient safety. And as an example of success in that regard is usually what's called international accreditation through Joint Commission International.
Spjega kif il-mira ili l-akkreditazzjoni għall-isptarijiet Karin Grech u l-isptar ġenerali ta' Għawdex tinkiseb fl-2018. Hemm ħafna xogħol li sar u iktar xi jsir iżda l-investiment qed iħalli l-frott biex sptarijiet li għal snin tħallew mitluqa jibdew ikunu deskritti fost l-aqwa fir-reġjun.
We had written some recommendations when we were here last year. We wanted to see if those recommendations had been resolved.
Hemm bidliet li l-pazjent serhom b'mod immedjat bħal dak fl-infrastruttura. Oħrajn ikunu qed iħallu effett iżda forsi mhux daqshekk evidenti mill-bidu.
Sometimes the patients will see, like if structural changes. Many times it's things that the patients don't see, but they haven't experienced an adverse effect either. So they've avoided an issue related to safety. Both hospitals are undergoing physical facility changes, which, as I mentioned, are going to be very important. The processes, particularly in medication management, have improved dramatically. The structure of the organization is now defined.
Fuq kollox l-akkreditazzjoni li mistennija tinkiseb mhix xi ħaġa ta' darba. Issir reviżjoni kultant żmien bilan li jkun assigurat li l-livelli jibqgħu jinżammu.
In terms of the JCI accreditation process, it'll be every 3 years. So, again, of the 5,500 hospitals I mentioned in the United States, 95% of them are accredited by Joint Commission Domestic. What a patient wants is a good outcome from the care that they're receiving. And we know through research and the studies that have been done and published that the outcome that a patient receives is dependent upon the structures that are in place in the hospital and the processes that are in place.
B'hekk din is-sħubija bejn il-Gvern u l-Privat tkompli tħalli l-frott. L-Iskola Medika ta' Barts ukoll bdiet tinbena f'Għawdex jidher biċ-ċar li l-aqwa żmien għal dan is-settur għadu ġej.